Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video about a US dollar index and pound USD USD. So let's get started. So I made this video about this US dollar index and Euro USD pound USD, I think a week ago, something like that. And so this is the chart I showed that, I was expecting that the price, the US dollar index is going to go up here and 1753 will stop it and then it's going to drop. If it's going to drop, then obviously USD is going to get weaker. And then I had a couple of setup and it's supposed to, pound USD and Euro USD is supposed to be going to the upside if US dollar index will drop. And the charts were showing something like, uh, let me see where the US dollar, okay. This is GU weekly, and then, okay, now in case of USD gets weaker, this will go to the upside. And there's another version here somewhere. I had a weekly chart showing that it's going to bounce from 23.6% line and 2308, the level, and it's going to go up to the upside, right? So Euro USD didn't move much, so I'm not going to even show that. It's still sitting there. But the chart, let me just show you the chart anyway. So Euro USD, I was expecting, and it was like making a like harmonic pattern, kind of, Gertley kind of pattern, right? And it was sitting not here. This was, as I said, if USD are gonna get strong, it's gonna go down here. But then if US dollar will get weaker, then the USD Gertley pattern was this. So it's supposed to be going to the upside. So at the moment, now it went up to this level and then stuck here. So like I said, the Euro USD, and even in my previous video, I said it, that Euro USD, I don't even trade that, because it's very slow. Daily range is very, very small nowadays. I don't know what happened to it. But yeah, daily range, it's not worth trading, to be honest with you. So pound USD is still moving a little bit, but Euro USD, once in a while it moves good, but most of the time it's just daily range is 50, 55 pips, something like that. So the whole day it moves that much. So I don't want to waste my time there, right? So pound USD is the one that, yeah, okay, sometimes it move, and now. So what happened to USD then? US dollar, it's wobbling around this area. Let me show you. Now this one, first it hit 1753, then it started dropping. Then it went up and then started dropping again. And then now today is going to the upside. So it was like a couple of days, flip flop, right? Just below 1753. So you need to be very careful. So based on that, right? Somebody asked me that I didn't post any trades, as I said that I'm going to. But yeah, what happened with yen, last week and into this week, Monday. So I'm busy trading yen pairs. They're moving a lot, hundreds of pips a day, and I'm having fun there. But still, I'm taking some. Let me show you that, pound USD, when it was dropping, because of the USD, it was getting strong first, right? So this is what happened. Pound USD short, and then I said, okay, let me go short 75 pips. Then again, pound USD start to get weaker. So this was on the 23rd. It start to go to the upside from 7-minute chart. I got an entry here, and that's 55 pips, right? And then again, like I said, flip flop again and again, right? So now USD still earlier it was going to the upside and actually going down, and then pound USD went up again. So this was the chart. It was on 29th, Monday, yesterday, right? So I had a nice entry here, which was actually the day before, but I ended up closing on 29, and this 92 pip on this one to the upside, right? So this is what happened with the pound USD, and now let's take a look where pound USD is actually. And what happening with the US dollar index, you can see that it went up again, start to go up again, and then now pound USD is still again in trouble, and then may go down because USD start to get strong. And that's what you have to pay attention to, the what is really happening with between these. I'm not even talking about pound index right now. Only USD, US dollar index. If you keep an eye on that, you can easily trade these pairs because if USD is going to the upside, that means you're getting strong. You're not going to see any long setup in pound USD. And if it is going to drop, then only thing you're going to see is long entries and not short setup at all. And that save your life, right? So save a bad entry. So this is what's happening with the US dollar index. If we break this 1753 to the upside, US dollar will continue to get strong, and these pairs supposed to go down. So now Euro USD, Pound USD, they are flipping to the downside again, right? When USD got weaker, yen got stronger, and USD yen dropped big time, as you know. That I don't know if it was a Bank of Japan intervention and what, but yen got stronger all of a sudden on Monday. And here's my trade, the big trade with this boom, it came down. Altogether, it came down probably like 500 pip. Out of that, I got 260 pip trade from here. Actually, the trade opened here, but I marked here. No, it was here. Sorry, it was here, but then it was so fast, it came down all the way. Boom! Right? I had USD yen, pound yen, euro yen, and Aussie yen or CAD yen. All of these pairs to the downside. Big one. 250, 260, 230, something like that. Even CAD yen 145. Got to the downside. But that was all because of yen, right? So what I'm saying is that index, USD index, pay attention to this level, 1753. If we break, it looks like that we're going to break, and I was expecting that it's going to break, then it will go up and USD going to get strong. This thing will go down. Now, if Euro USD will go down, where the heck is going to go down? And what kind of chart that I have for that? And that's the one that I opened earlier. And if it's going to get strong, this thing is going to drop. Let's go take a look at the live chart. Euro USD daily chart is this. So it's coming down, right? And remember, I had this crab pattern. It was here somewhere. I just opened that. I guess Euro USD. Maybe that one. Yeah, that one, right? So if USD start to get strong, we are here right now dropping, right? So we will go down here. So this will be Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of thing, right? As well as that we will go down with this US dollar, pound USD. Weekly chart, this is to the upside and this is to the downside. So we are coming down again, right? You can see here a little bit, right? And this is also to the downside. There was another chart, pound USD, to the downside. This is the long, man. Okay, I kind of missed that chart, right? So this is the long side. And if USD gets strong, this is the downside. So we need to go back down below 2447 and find the entries. Now, my 40-minute pound USD chart is already making a short setup. Why? Because see, pull the fib and we are sitting at 61%. Now, after that, what happened? Usually it goes back down to 23% line. And if it needs to go to the upside to make a Gartner pattern, it will go up again to 78% to make a Gartner pattern, which the level is not here, but it should be somewhere here, right? If not, then it will just simply go down, 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 and down. And that is possible because if USD gets strong and at the same time if pound start to get weaker, then yes, then it will go down all the way to the downside. So this is the chart that I made several months ago, actually. So I made it when we were here, December. So since then, in April, 4 months. So it came down a little bit, went up, and then now came down, and then like bouncing around 2447, right? So let's see. It all depends on the USD. USD, if it breaks 1753 and then go to the upside, this thing is coming down. Okay, so just wanted to share it with you guys, and according to just play by the rule, right? You have to have a setup. If you don't, if you want to see my setup, you want to try, go on my website here and subscribe. If you have a good entry setup on your own, then use that. But you must have a setup, a system, a strategy, something that you can use to make the entry, precise entry, without going into the red, right? So just wanted to share with you guys. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the evening. equally.